Welcome to Dreams Homes and Wheels Tour. Step into the future of living in this exclusive home tour. We explore one of the most futuristic houses in the world, with cutting-edge design, smart technology, and jaw-dropping architecture. This house looks like something straight out of 2050. From high-tech gadgets to eco-friendly innovations, this futuristic home combines luxury, intelligence, and style like never before. Whether you're a fan of modern architecture, smart homes, or next-level interior design, this video will blow your mind. Don't miss the chance to see how the future of housing looks today. Subscribe now for more dream house tour, luxury mansion reveals, and exclusive insights into the lives of the world's most famous millionaires.